Hey loves, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to achieve this beautiful hairstyle. To start, you want to be making sure your hair is wet and soft. Then you comb so as to make the hair bounce. Then you start cutting your sizes. Note, if you want it to be bold and scanty, you can start by cutting big sizes, but if you want it to be more than the adequate number, you start by cutting smaller sizes. You cut out the size that you want. Now let's take it slowly. Cut out your preferred size and braid the roots. And you start twisting. So you go on and on, repeat the process.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell. Thank you for watching. Bye.